Pakistan's energy sector is going through a major crisis. Long hours of power outages have become quite a common sight in the country. This is hampering the country from making any significant progress in the economic sector. The recent governments adopted the major steps and priority has been given to the cheapest power sources. Hydropower is an especially economical source of energy which does not emit greenhouse gases. Fortunately, Pakistan has considerable assets including a huge untapped potential, both for reservoir dams and run-of-river projects. To contribute further, 640 MW Mahl Hydropower Project is ready for construction as a part of China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. So far, 5 major hydropower projects have been identified on 628-kilometer Jhelum River and its tributaries. Out of 5, 1 is operational and other is under construction. 640 MW Mahl Hydropower is the second of 5 cascading hydropower stations planned on the Jhelum River. It would be the third hydropower project on Jhelum River, which would be developed under the umbrella of China-Pakistan Economic Corridor and renowned China Three Gorges South Asia Investment, a subsidiary of China Three Gorges Corporations. The project site is located 138 kilometers away from Islamabad and 5 kilometers upstream of the confluence of Mahl River with the River Jhelum on the boundary between the Azad Jammu and Kashmir and the province of Punjab, with some portion of dam in the province of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. The Mahl Power Project was identified in a ranking study conducted by Manenko in 1983. The project was subsequently advertised by the government of Pakistan. The sponsors were issued the letter of interest for the project in 2014. A detailed feasibility study was carried out by Shanghai Investigation, Design and Research Institute in association with 2 local consultants, Associate Consulting Engineers and Mirza Associates Engineering Services, and submitted to the Private Power and Infrastructure Board for approval in 2016. The panel of experts had approved the feasibility study in 2017. An environmental and social impact assessment study was conducted by Hagler Bailey Pakistan Private Limited to develop a resettlement action plan that meets the standards and guidelines prescribed by the International Finance Corporation and conforms to environmental legislation of AJK, Punjab and CPEC. 88.4 meters high RCC gravity dam is proposed with a crest length of 372.5 meter. The crest elevation is 592.4 meter. A total of 9 bays has been proposed in the dam structure. 5 gated overflow spillway, 4 low-level outlets for sediment sluicing as well as for augmenting the release capacity of the overflow spillway. 29-kilometer-long reservoir will generate it at upstream of 88.4-meter-high dam, starting from tailrace of Kahala Hydropower Project, with an estimated capacity of 139.6 million cubic meter. Other components involve 3 power intakes and penstock, power intake scouring outlets, diversion tunnel, river diversion channel, surface powerhouse, gas-insulated switchgear and switchyard. Surface powerhouse is located on the left bank at the dam toe. The powerhouse is 166.5 meter long, 34 meter wide and 83 meter high. It will accommodate 3 Francis turbines of 213.3 megawatts capacity, with 434.8 cubic meter per second discharge. The grid interconnection through 500 kV double-circuit transmission line has already been approved accorded by National Transmission and Dispatch Company and Central Power Purchasing Agency in December 2017. The total construction period planned for Mahl Hydropower Project is 72 months, including 4 months for construction preparation, 67 months for main construction works, and 1 month for completion and acceptance of the project. Mahl Power Company Private Limited will build, own and operate the project till the expiry of the stipulated 30-year term of the power purchase agreement. Thereafter the project will be handed over to the representative of the government of AJK. The estimated project cost is $1,282 million, including land acquisition, EPC, engineering and supervision. Apart from being a large-scale power generation project based on indigenous resources, the project has various additional advantages. Project would provide economical and reliable electricity to the national grid. Project will generate employment for local population. Economic opportunities will be generated in the local area and in Pakistan for subcontracts, suppliers. After commercial operation date of the project, government of AJK will receive around 1.23 billion rupees annually for 30 years on account of water usage charges and 4.34 billion rupees on account of various taxes during 6 years of construction of the project. Mahl, and other projects being undertaken by China. Three Gorges South Asia investment will also strengthen the close and brotherly relations between Government of China and Pakistan. Thanks viewers for watching, and thumbs up if you like. Write us in the comments section and subscribe our channel for more updates.